Hey friends, I just wanted to talk to you about this week's lesson in science. For the next 4 weeks, we're going to be studying biomes of the world. And if you didn't know, biomes were the habitats where different creatures live in different temperature levels around the world. So this week we are talking about the grasslands. Grasslands can be known as different names around the world. Like here in the United States, we call them prairies, and in other parts of the world, they're called steppes. There's also other names as well. Let me see, where's my map? Okay, so here is a map of the world. Grasslands are shown in orange on the map, and they cover about 1/4 of the Earth's land. So you can see right about here is the grassland area, which we call prairies in the United States. And you might see some animals in the United States, like prairie dogs and little otters, and maybe some sort of elk, like little cougars. And then see there's some other animals from around the world that you might find on a grassland area. So like in Africa, you'd find your zebras and giraffe and rhinos, cheetahs. Those are all, you find a lot of bugs, termites and things like that. Vultures. And then another really cool animal that we would see in the grasslands would be buffalo and different types of deer and elk. You can see them here. So there's a lot of life that lives in the grasslands. So in the grasslands, they are also called plains as well, as you see there. There's not a lot of trees. There's a lot of grass, hence the name grasslands. And see, you see a sparse tree every now and then, little groups of trees. So there are trees, but not a lot. But it's mostly grasses, and there's a lot of grazing animals that live there that don't allow the trees to grow. They graze on all those grasses, and that's why it's just big wide areas of grassland. Typically they do get rain, but a lot of times it's dry. That's why the grass looks a lot yellow and things. And right here, one danger, it says the dry grass catches fire easily. And then they see the little rainstorm right there, so you can see like the lightning strikes the grassland. That's how a fire would start there. But they do get rain, not a lot of rain, but just enough to sustain the animals and the life. So this week for your science homework, I want you to recreate the biome of the grassland. Do you have beanie boos that might, represent the animals of the grasslands? Do you have these little animals like I have? Maybe some bushes. You could even use Play-Doh. So recreate the grassland biome for your science homework this week, and maybe with parent permission and help, you can go online and look up some more of the animals that you might see that live in grasslands. All right, that's it for science this week, friends. So make sure you're getting outside and getting lots of exercise and exploring nature. See you soon.